Hey guys, so in this video we'll be studying about the articles. There are two articles, okay? A or an is the first one and the, okay, the. So there are two articles, a or an and the. Now we'll see what is an indefinite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. Now look at this highlighted part. It usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. That is, it does not refer to any particular thing or person. Okay. So that is the meaning of this highlighted part. Now see the example, a boy. Now when you say a boy, here we refer to any boy. We are not talking about one particular boy. A boy refers to any boy. Next, definite article. The is called a definite article because it normally points out some particular thing or person. Now, points out some particular thing or person refers to, we are referring to some particular thing, definite thing or person, okay? So in that case, we use this definite article, the. For example, he saw the boy. Now, when you say this sentence, you are referring to one particular boy. He saw the boy. Next, we'll have a look at some of the points. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. Countable nouns has been dealt in the previous video, so please have a look at the previous video. A book. Book is a countable noun and singular means referring to one. So a book generally means one book. An umbrella. One umbrella. Okay. Next, the definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now, singular countable nouns. Okay, countable nouns and uncountable nouns are the different kinds of nouns. So, countable nouns refers to the nouns that can be counted and uncountable nouns basically means you cannot count them. Okay, examples, stars, bravery, sugar, all of this has been taught in the previous video. So now, singular countable nouns, book is a countable noun, book is a singular countable noun, okay, here. So the book, the pens, plural countable noun, the sugar, uncountable noun. Now, we'll see where do we use a or an, that is the indefinite article. The choice between a or an is determined by sound. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. Okay. If a word is beginning with a vowel sound, okay, we use the indefinite article an. Now see here, example, an orange. Okay, when you say orange, it is beginning with the vowel sound O. So you use an orange. An apple begins with a vowel sound A. Apple. An apple. An umbrella. So when you say umbrella, it begins with the sound of A only. Umbrella, A, umbrella, A. Okay, so you say an umbrella. Now, note, we do not put an to words which starts with the sound of a consonant. Okay, if a word is starting with a consonant sound, remember the indefinite article an should not be used. Next, the words like are, honest, air, etc. starts with the vowel sound and hence an is used before these words. Okay, so have a look at these three words, okay. The first letter in these three words might be H, but while you pronounce these words, you say are, honest, air. Okay, when you say are, you are using the vowel sound of A, are. Okay, honest, you use the vowel sound of O, honest. Air, again you use the vowel sound A. So before words, such words, okay, you use the indefinite article an. You say an are, an honest, an air, okay, an honest person, okay. I have not completed the sentence, I'm just using it with one word, an are, an honest, an air, okay. Now, before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. For example, a bat, a table, a vase. So this is pretty easy. Now, a is used before the words like university, European, union, etc. as they begin with a consonant sound U. Okay, when you say these three words, the consonant sound of Y is prominent. Okay, university, European, union. So YU, that is the consonant sound of Y, is more predominant. So that is why in such words you use the indefinite article a or a. Okay, a university, a European, a union. You say them like that. Next, some native speakers use an before words beginning with H if the first syllable is not stressed. Okay, now what does syllable mean? In layman terms, syllable is breaking of a word into words based on its pronunciation. That is, one word is broken into several words based on its pronunciation. For example, here hotel is a two-syllable word because you can further break it as ho-tel into two syllables. Ho is the first syllable, tel is the next syllable. Okay. Now an example I've taken, inferno. It's a three-syllable word because you can break down inferno as in, for, no. That is, one word is broken into three words based on its pronunciation. Inferno. Now, what does this mean? Some native speakers use an before words beginning with H if the first syllable is not stressed. So here in this hotel example, HO is the first syllable. Okay, now if I'm not stressing the first syllable, how do you pronounce this word? Hotel. Okay, hotel. So that time you say an hotel. Okay, now if you stress the first syllable, it is hotel. I'm stressing the H-O. Okay, H-O. Hotel. Here I'm not stressing that. Hotel. Hotel. Here, hotel. Hotel. Okay. So you say an hotel or a hotel. Okay. Next. Here, HI is the first syllable. So, an historical monument. An historical monument. Now, when I stress the first syllable, it becomes a historical monument. Okay. So, this is how you use a or an. Okay. Next. Use of definite article. The definite article is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. For example, the book you wanted is already sold. Here we are referring to one particular book that we are actually looking for. So, the book you wanted is already sold. Okay, one particular book. Now, the definite article is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. Now, what does this mean? Look at the example. The cat loves comfort. Now, why do we use the over here? What does this example and this sentence mean? Now see, we are using the word cat actually to refer to the whole class of cats. We are not talking about any one particular cat. By saying the cat loves comfort, we are referring to the whole class of cats. That is all the cats. Okay, the cat loves comfort. So in such cases, you use the definite article the. Okay, like you say, the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, now you're not saying one particular dog. You're not referring to my dog or your friend's dog. In general, you're saying that the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, you say the dog. Here, by saying that, you are referring to all the dogs. Now, the is used before some proper nouns. For example, the Pacific, the Sahara, the United States of America. Okay. Now, before the names of certain books, we use the. For example, the Ramayana, the Vedas, the Bible. We use the before the names of things unique of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars. Before a proper noun, when it is quantified by an adjective. Okay, now Ashoka is the proper noun And great is an adjective. This proper noun has been quantified by an adjective. So you say the great Ashoka, the great Alexander. So in these cases you use the definite article. Now we use the with the superlatives. So superlatives is one of the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Okay, it is the third degree of comparison. So with such words also you use the. Okay, the best, the most beautiful. Now we use the with ordinals. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, all these are called ordinals. So we use the before ordinals. He was the first Indian to walk on space. The first, okay, the second, the third, you say it like that. Now we use the before musical instruments. Okay, the flute, the sitar, the guitar. Okay, next, okay, I've given exercises here. Two exercises have been given. Fill in the blanks with the articles. So this is the first exercise. In this exercise you have to fill in the appropriate articles here in the blank spaces. So I'll be posting the answers of this exercise in the next video. So pause the video, copy down the questions and complete the homework. This is the second one. Insert articles wherever necessary. I've given 10 sentences. Okay, so please insert articles if you feel they are necessary. I'll do the first one for you. Draw map of India. So the answer is draw the map of India. Okay. So draw the map of India. So copy down this exercise as well. And feel free to post any doubts in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thank you.